5 Things you should know about affiliate marketing. There is no doubt that the internet has changed the way people do business. It is now possible to start a business and sell products or services online from the comfort of your home, with virtually no overhead costs. You can literally set up an online store and be selling within minutes. But the biggest problem facing most people starting an online business is not the technical aspects of setting up a website or building a blog. The biggest problem is finding a product or service that people want to buy and then marketing it successfully. If you have been thinking about starting an online business but are unsure of where to begin, you should consider affiliate marketing. This is a form of online advertising where you promote other people's products or services in return for a commission when they make a sale. Here are some things you should know about affiliate marketing. 1. You don't need your own product or service to make money through affiliate marketing. All you need is a website and the ability to write well and clearly. 2. You can get started by simply signing up as an affiliate with a company that sells products or services online. They will give you a link to their site, and all you need to do is drive traffic to that site. If a customer buys something from the site, you will earn a commission. 3. There are several ways to drive traffic to the site. You can use free methods like article marketing, press releases, and forum posting. These are all free and require little time investment. However, they don't work nearly as well as paid methods like pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising is the best method of driving traffic to a site. It is also one of the fastest ways to make money online. 4. Once you have traffic to the site, you need to make sure that people stay there long enough to make a purchase. You can do this by writing articles, using banner ads, and using other forms of advertising. 5. Once you have built a large list of customers, you can market to them again and again, even if you don't sell anything to them directly. This is called residual income, and it is one of the most powerful ways to build a successful online business. If you want to learn how to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great place to start.